so I'm thinking of 3 annoying fruit. Now these are fruits that you taste, I think, a little bit gross. They do a little bit of stuff that can be a little bit annoying. So the first annoying one ever is, of course, the tomato. Now that's actually a very tasty one. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, but for some reason, like, trying to spit it out like lots of juice without its little seed, and it's really yucky, a little bit looks, and trying not to spill it over your carpet or over your desk. It's actually pretty hard, but it's still pretty tasty, but it's actually still a little bit annoying, but annoying. So what I'll recommend doing is I'll just recommend eating small ones, and just I ate small ones, think to eat small ones, and just what looks yellow, like the small ones, and just eat it with my whole mouth, like mini ones, not big ones to shove it in my mouth, so like small miniature ones. Now, my next favorite fruit, annoying one ever, yeah. Guys, I'm sorry, you may like. Why it took me like so long to load up into this video, yeah. Well, that is because, like, of course I was sweating, it was hot outside, and my video is also about, yeah, that felt like a very, very, very long journey for me to do. Plus I'm sweating, and it's take my shirt off, and that's why it looks silly when I take my shirt off. That's why I have like no face cam on right now, only for on the screen. Imagine you watching this in public, yeah, with your family, or on a massive TV, then all of a sudden they get the face cam on, and like, surprise! That's gonna be amazing, actually. It's gonna be so funny. Also, it is the banana. Now the banana, yeah, is of course very, very, very sweet. But when it's cold, it turns hard, and it's a little bit. What? Right then, guys, and when it's hard, yeah, I think that it needs a little bit more stuff, you know, like it needs a little bit more different kinds of stuff. Now I like it. It's really tasty, and it's really sweet. Banana with milk is actually really tasty as well. So check out my video called 3 Things Surprisingly Literally. Now, guys, I'm sorry if this video took really long reason to make. I was just kidding. The reason why it took so long to my sister stayed on my computer like 3 hours. I couldn't get her off it, and I was so annoyed. I couldn't get her off my computer. Yeah, and I really wanted to make a video for you guys to go on my computer, but I couldn't. So that's why this video took like a very long time to make. But I can upload 2 or 3 videos. Hopefully you guys didn't. Actually, no, the third one, yeah, is of course. Second is the banana, and third is the plums. They are very, very sour sometimes. Sometimes they're sweet, sometimes they're sour, but they're literally very little bit annoying. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you later. Bye.